Alright, well, anyways, I'm doing things. I don't know how the fuck ever I'm doing things. I'm always trying, and really, I'm just gonna keep doing shit, because that's what I do. So anyways, I'm gonna test this one battery, because that's all I got charged. I'm trying to get through all my batteries, because I got a shit ton of bad batteries, and I don't want to start using my new ones. Yeah, anyways, this is being filmed on my S22 Galaxy. I'm going to go take this out for a cruise, and 2.7 at 120. It's got HD0 in it, the old run cam. But anyways, enjoy. See how we do here. Get the old battery out. These extensions are nice. They find them off of Amazon. Anyways, I do some live streams. Wacky Workbench Wednesday, which is here in another hour or so. And also Sample Saturdays, which a lot of you already come and hang out. It's Saturdays at 10 p.m. Eastern. I haven't said anything about my streams in a video in a minute, but hey, there's something up there on the last one I actually did mention the stream on. Here we go. Well, that didn't turn out too bad. So thank you y'all, nothing but love. Big thanks to all my Patreons, aka Highest Grippers, Aeon, Control, UAV Future, Nappy FPV, Technique FPV, Dan Villa, The Turbo, and Pia, Paul McD FPV, Richard P, Bob Noxus, Grace Noxus, Chuck Dean FPV, That Guy Fly. Y'all, thank you so much. Nothing but love, as always. Thank you.